In today's video, we're going to talk about cases, documents, and emails NVC National Visa Center is working on this week. It looks like they are moving a little bit quicker. They are starting working on the cases they receive from USCIS a little bit quicker this week. But stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome here. My goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also US citizens regarding their immigration questions. Sometimes we talk about different topics, and also I give advice to newcomers to the United States of America so they can stay out of trouble. It's very important because they have to stay out of trouble to have a good life here in the United States of America. But today's video, like I said in the introduction, is about cases, document, and email NVC National Visa Center is working on this week. If you are a petitioner, you petition for your relative, or maybe you are a beneficiary, somebody petition for you, this video is for you. I do my best to update you guys every week. Some of you guys who don't have a chance to check NVC update weekly, or who don't know exactly how the process works. Okay, so if you petition for your relative, let's say you petition for your spouse or your parent or your underage children, those people are immediate relative. Okay, or you can also petition for your siblings, adult or children, or those people are not immediate relative. So once you petition for those relative, well, you know that at the beginning you have to file I-130 with USCIS, so then USCIS has to approve the I-130 petition case. So once the petition is approved, if your relative lives overseas, meaning that that relative will come to the United States of America on immigrant visa, the I-130 case will move to NVC National Visa Center. Okay, don't get confused. If your relative lives overseas, that's when the case moves to NVC National Visa Center. If your relative lives here in the United States of America, well, that case gonna stay at USCIS level, and then you guys will receive a notification to start the green card process. Basically your relative will adjust his or her status here in the United States of America. So if your relative lives here in the United States of America, don't watch a video about NVC, because those videos are not for you. Okay, so now that the case moved to NVC National Visa Center, NVC will create a visa case for the petition. Okay, then they will key in all the petition information in the system, because before those information are in USCIS system. Now NVC has to put those information in their system, and then after that they're gonna send you a letter, a welcome letter. In the welcome letter, you will receive instruction regarding what you do, the next steps, how to start the immigrant visa process, and also you will receive case number and invoice ID. You're going to use those two things to log into NVC system. Without those two things, you cannot log into the system. Even sometimes, even if you have those two things, the invoice ID and a case number, you won't be able to start the immigrant visa process because your priority date is not current yet. You have to wait until your priority date is current before you can do so. Priority date is basically the date you file your I-130 petition, for some of you guys who don't know. So yesterday, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on October 5th. So basically 7 days after they received those cases, they start working on those cases. That's what I was saying earlier in the introduction, that it looks like they start working on those cases a little bit quicker now. Okay, so now you, the petitioner, you're going to pay some fees. You're going to pay the immigrant visa fees. You're going to pay affidavit of support fees. And after that, you're going to start filling out on DS-260, which is a immigrant visa application. So that one is for the intended immigrant, the person who will come to the United States of America on immigrant visa. Okay, so now that you pay the fees, you have to submit some document. You, the petitioner, you have to submit some of your document, as well as the intending immigrant. Intending immigrant also will submit some of his or her document called civil document. Okay, so when you log in into the system, you pay the fees, you will see that whatever document you're going to submit, you will see missing beside on those documents. That's when you know you have to submit those documents. So when you click on the petitioner name, you will see whatever document that petitioner going to upload. When you click on the name of the intending immigrant, you will see whatever document the intending immigrant will submit. So once you submit those the document and pay the fees, NVC will review everything. Yes, they have to review everything. Make sure you submit the right document. Make sure you pay the correct fees. Okay, so yesterday also NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing document they received from you guys on July 23rd. Okay, so after they review those documents, well, if everything looks good, well, you're gonna be documentary qualified, meaning that it's time for you to wait until you get your interview appointment letter. I know many of you guys, a lot of you guys are at that level now. You're waiting for your interview appointment letter. Well, at this point, if NVC doesn't ask for additional document, you just have to wait. So some of you guys who are immediate relative, as I mentioned earlier, you're gonna receive your interview appointment letter a little bit sooner than people who are not immediate relative. Okay, and NVC, no NVC, but the U.S. consulate is scheduling an interview appointment based on visa availability, based on priorities. Some of you guys are on top of the priority list, and some of you guys, unfortunately, are on the bottom. So now the third update is regarding email. Some of you guys send NVC emails regarding different questions. Well, they do their best to respond to your emails every week. Well, this week they announced on their website that they are responding to emails they receive from you guys on September 13th. So make sure you monitor your email so you don't miss any emails coming from NVC National Visa Center. So basically that's it for today's video. I hope you guys love and learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, hit the bell. If you are new here, you like what you're seeing, you want to subscribe to this channel, become a part of this USMO YouTube family, well, just click on the subscribe button somewhere down below this video. If you want to support this channel, we have a USMO shop. The link is in the description below, or you can go to usmon.com, click on USMO shop. That will take you straight to the USMO website where you can purchase at least one t-shirt. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.